All right, real quick, 2013 Chrysler C 5.7 hemi water pump replacement. Upper radiator hose, take it off. Drain your radiator. It's a knob down there by the drain tube that you turn it off. You turn it and your coolant will drain. And I'm trying to find what I did with mine so I can show y'all what it looked like. Oh, okay, yeah, right here. It looked just like this. You're gonna turn it. It's at the bottom of your radiator on the passenger side. Drain your radiator fluid. Unhook your top radiator hose. This is the new water pump. Look at the new water pump. Look at the old water pump. Temperature sensor. I had to take mine off of the old water pump and put it on the new water pump. You're gonna have to transfer a couple of things off the old water pump onto the new water pump. When I bought mine, it came with this pulley, so I won't be replacing that. I won't have to take my old pulley off. Another thing you're gonna have to take off is this pulley and transfer it right onto this. It ain't nothing but one bolt. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do, take your serpentine belt loose. All right, I got my serpentine belt off. All you do, you take your ratchet and you put it in this tensioner. Just use the square of the ratchet, and it's a square slot right in this tensioner. You push it in and you turn it clockwise. So the next thing you want to do, I'm gonna go ahead and take this piece off. Take it loose, and that's gonna go right here in the new water pump. Okay, now we're just gonna start removing the bolts. You see how many bolts it's gonna take. So just follow on the old water pump. You know, we're gonna have boom, 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 all the way around. Just look at the new water pump and follow how many bolts it's gonna have to come out. Yeah. All right, so I pretty much got most of the bolts at the top off. What I'm doing now is taking off the pulley so that I can get to the bolt that's underneath it. What I got is a what is it, like a swiveling tool, so I could reach and not damage that coolant fan. So yeah, here we go. So as you can see, took the pulley off the old pump, put it on the new pump. So all I'm doing is, as I remove the bolts out the old pump, I'm putting them in the new pump where they will go, because all the bolts are not the same size. So yeah, we're just gonna slowly piece it together. Okay, so it's another pulley you got to take off. It's just one bolt. Take this off and transport it to your new pump. It'll go right here. All right, once you get all the bolts out, I just took a flathead and kind of hammered between the water pump and the engine. It'll come right out. It's the old pump. It's the new pump. So what you want to do, you want to try to clean up the gasket surface. I'll probably wipe it down real good. Maybe a little razor blade to get any rubber residue. Make sure you place your new gasket on your water pump. Make sure you put your thermostat on your water pump, on the new water pump. So take thermostat housing off. Put it on the new water pump thermostat housing. The same way you took it off, you want to put it on. And one last thing, you'll need the thermostat housing gasket. So that'll sit right in between. After you put the thermostat in here, this just sets. This gasket will sit right on top of it. Then you'll go ahead and assemble the thermostat housing. So put the thermostat inside of here, put the gasket around it, then put the thermostat housing on top. And everything that you did, basically what you're doing is you're putting it in reverse. Okay, don't forget to put your gasket on the water pump. Mine came with the gasket. What I did was I used some adhesive spray, and I just sprayed a little bit on the corner so that it wouldn't fall out. This is a Super 7 multi-purpose adhesive spray. So what I'm gonna do now is slowly work it into place and set my screws. So this is how it should look after everything is set up. Got my temperature sensor. The only thing I haven't put on yet is my pulleys. I'll put those on last. All right, I got the water pump on. Remind me to get my tool out of there because I will forget. Last but not least, don't forget to add your coolant. All right, another thing, when you're adding your coolant, when you start your engine, you want to bleed the system. This is probably one of the most important parts. You can bleed your coolant system by unscrewing this bleeder screw, but I don't have the right tool, so I'm gonna bleed mine through the temp sensor right here. I just unscrewed it. Yeah.